Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So resuming from the previous video, we were analyzing sand. So we will be do this. Presently we have made a profit of 40% on spot. So I think this is where you take your capital out and let the profits run. So let's get back into Bitcoin. Yeah. So if you look on at Bitcoin, we have the sideline trend line breakout. If we have to analyze this in fresh, we'll have to look into our support resistance. So I would say this would be one of the supports after the breakout. This would be the secondary support right now. Yeah. And for us to get a resistance, let's get this area. Let's make it red. Yeah. So we have sort of one gap completed over here, and then this gap might be completed somewhere maybe around here. That's what I think. So let's look how could we validate that to happen. uh, so if you look at the what do you call long-term indicators, nothing that we could identify using the MACD. The MACD is just consolidating on the same area. The Bollinger Band strategy has given us the buy signal probably 3 days back. The RSI is presently at oversold position. So what do we expect? So right now there is nothing to what do you call no kind of indicators that can be used to identify what happened to Bitcoin, because this was like most likely a big green bar on this breakout, and then the trend started to follow. So what do you think is going to happen now? So if you like put all indicators to aside, all what do you call all sort of analysis patterns and whatsoever. So if you actually did buy Bitcoin at 38,000 area, what would you be doing? Would you be holding this still? Yeah, I think some people would have thought taking profit at the 43,000 area would have been a good idea, and then we had another breakout through the next the previous resistance level, which turned into support. So right now we have retested and we are trading the above the 43,600 range support level. So our next resistance is 47,500 ish. So when you like think about this, I mean, in a very practical manner, so most of us will be looking to take profit at this area, because it is very unlikely that BTC would start breaking the 48,000 area and touching close to about 50,000 uh, on a straight line. I'm not saying that it is impossible to happen, but it's quite hard, right? If you think about it, it's like very unlikely that you could do this. So what I think, what is healthy for Bitcoin is something like this and then go up, right? So that's what I think about Bitcoin. Let's get back into the indicators. Yeah. So if you look at the RSI is presently at the oversold position. We'll be looking for a short-term reversal right now. Uh, Nothing to say with the MACD. The MACD is showing us probably another leg up. Most likely, people might try to push this towards the next resistance, and whales might try to take profit. Uh, let's get back into the very short term. Probably nothing. I mean, everything that you see here is like straight bull signs, right? So So if you like go into the daily, let's check the daily. What do you see on the daily? We did see a double bottom on our horizontal sideway, a breakout, a trend line breakout. Uh, if you look at the daily, the Bollinger Band strategy has given you a buy signal on this green big bar. So we are, hmm, it's quite confusing. So before we make a decision on this, let's check what does DOM has to say. Okay. So we presently are trading below the 50 and 20-day moving average. We are above the 200 bullish moving average. We have almost hit the sell position on the Bollinger Band strategy, but we do not have the confirmation below the LSMA line, the white line. Uh, we have been consolidating for a while right now. So it's like quite confusing. What I say right now is Bitcoin is just bullish because of the trend. You know, people see green bars and they just follow the trend. They just keep on buying. But the real problem is when do we actually take profit, right? So let's throw all the indicators aside. Let's think about this in a very practical manner, right? So if we do have invested on Bitcoin, I will most likely be trying to take profit at my take profit would be somewhere probably right now, or I might wait to this area. I might take profit here. So what might happen to Bitcoin is it might retest this support. Most likely, if there is a weekend drop, we might retest this support and then follow the trend. Yeah. So that is for Bitcoin right now. Probably when Bitcoin candles start making a little bit more moves, I will try to get back into this. So that's the Bitcoin update for right now. Thank you very much.